डियर व्यूअर्स, आज 8th क्लास के लिए हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक है प्लैनेट्स, जो कि सब टॉपिक है द स्टार्स एंड द सोलर सिस्टम चैप्टर से। तो जहाँ तक प्लैनेट्स की बात है, प्लैनेट्स को जब हम डिफाइन करते हैं, वी से दैट a planet is a heavenly body which revolves around the sun in a well-defined orbit, and that orbit is its actual path, or, or we say it is a celestial body which keep on moving in an elliptical orbit around a star. As stars are having their own heat and light, planets receive the heat and the light from the sun or the stars. The planets in our solar system are categorized into two types: inner planets, जिसमें हम इंक्लूड करते हैं मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ एंड मार्स, एंड आउटर प्लैनेट्स में हमारा जुपिटर आता है, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपट्यून and Pluto, which is now a dwarf planet. Let us first try to understand the first planet, the innermost planet of the solar system, which is nearest to the sun, and that is Mercury. Mercury Buddha. This is the first planet of our solar system, closest to the sun. And the Mercury, being so close to the sun, it is one of the hottest planet in the solar system. Diameter of the Mercury planet is 487.3 kilometers. Its mass is 330 million tons. So far as temperature is considered, there is variability of temperature from -173 degree to 487 degrees centigrade. The distance from the sun is 58 million kilometers. Mercury पर जो length of the day है, it is 58.65 अर्थ डेज, जितना कि अर्थ पर दिन की जो लेंथ है, उस हिसाब से जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इट बिकम्स 58.65 अर्थ डेज. जो लेंथ ऑफ द ईयर है मरकरी प्लैनेट पर, वो अर्थ डेज के 87.97 बराबर है, क्योंकि ये प्लैनेट नियरेस्ट टू द सन है. सो सन से इसकी जो डिस्टेंस है वो कम होगी एज़ कम्पेयर टू आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ. सरफेस ग्रेविटी जब हम एज कम्पेयर टू अर्थ लेते हैं, यहाँ पर 1 kg ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट वुड बी इक्वल टू 0.38 kg. सो सरफेस ग्रेविटी विल बी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू द अर्थ. नाउ मैंने आपको अभी बोला दैट दिस इज द क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू द सोलर सिस्टम, सो इट इज़ वेरी मच हॉट. इट इज़ द हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम, एंड ड्यू टू दिस हॉटनेस, its surface temperature is often observed as it is similar to the moon. Surface features. Surface features are very similar to the moon, and it is dominated by craters, and younger areas are filled with dark planets which are made from the floods of lava. There is neither water nor atmosphere present on the Mercury. The reason मैंने आपको जो अभी बोला दैट इट इज़ हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम, सो इस वजह से लाइफ कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट हियर. लाइफ इज़ इम्पॉसिबल हियर ऑन द प्लैनेट Mercury ड्यू टू एक्सट्रीमली हाई टेम्परेचर. This planet, as closest to the sun, It is hidden most of the time in the glare of the sun. However, it is visible when before sunset or before sunrise. It appears like a bright star in the sky. It appears like a bright star in the sky. So it is also called as a morning star or evening star. It is visible for 6 weeks just before sunset in the western sky, and then for another 8 weeks in the eastern sky just before sunrise. Mercury is a planet. We should know this. It is not a star. However, as it is the first which appears in the morning or evening in the sky, it has become customarily to call it a star. Otherwise, it is the first planet of our solar system, being closest to the sun and being very much nearer to our planet Earth. Uh, Thank you.